Many Vermont communities are still coping with damage. Some even saw historically higher river levels. That includes the town of Johnson, where the Lamoille River crested at 17.5 feet Tuesday morning. It's the fourth highest crest on record for Johnson. Now, some of that water seeped into homes and businesses, including the post office. And Fox 44's Matt Holderman was there and has more to tell us.
For the United States Postal Service, the week before Christmas is one of the busiest all year. But this past Monday night in particular, there may have been no post office in the country busier than the one right here in Johnson, as they dealt with yet another round of flooding on top of the holiday rush. The Guian River may look calm right now, but Monday night into Tuesday morning, it almost ruined Christmas for the town of Johnson.
Monday, the 18th. Was the busiest day of the year for the Postal Service.
The town's post office, which is sending out and delivering many people's Christmas presents, was almost wiped out by flooding for the second time this year.
We just put it in high gear, had our plan, and executed it for the next morning.
But longtime postmaster Jane Draper says with this being their most important week of the year, she wasn't going to let that happen.
With the water rising and the snow melting and the rain coming down, we just kept doing our daily duties as long as we could. We kept the office open right until the last minute. We finished the day, went home and grabbed a bite to eat, and came back and watched the facility.
Draper says she stayed up all night at the post office watching how much water was entering the building so that she could decide how to tackle the day by 4 a.m. when mail trucks leave the USPS plant in Essex. She says the building took on 10 inches of water, which required a backup plan.
Tuesday morning, I rerouted our mail to two local post offices, Morrisville and Hyde Park, and my carriers met me there. We grabbed our mail and packages and delivered without any hiccups.
Draper and her workers brought all of Johnson's mail back to the town. They spent the day giving it out at the post office while also cleaning the water and mud out of the building.
We handed the mail to the customers. We didn't allow them in the building, so we met them at the door and handed them their mail as they came through.
After a lot of hard work, the post office was cleaned up and back to normal operation by Wednesday morning. A chaotic 48 hours conquered, as Draper says the Guian River gave her one last run for her money before next Tuesday, when she plans to hang up her badge for the final time.
I've been in Johnson for 18 years, and it's been an absolute pleasure, and it's going to be tough to walk away. USPS rocks.
In Johnson, Matt Holderman, Fox 44 News.